Let's get it.
Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Bonafide. We in the Bandit. We headed to the car wash. Mr. Johnny Cleans or whatever car wash here in Orlando. So I figured I'd make a little video, just talk about the first mod that I ever did to the car. Was just extremely cosmetic, and it was tint. So after the intro, we'll talk a little bit more about the type of tint I chose and why I chose it for the Bandit.
Let's get it.
So, first modification ever done on the Bandit is tint. I didn't put rims on it. I didn't change my tires. I didn't do anything. I live in Orlando, Florida, and the heat, to say something, the heat is another animal. I mean, I know other places get hot. I know other places get, crazy. But here in Orlando, it's a different kind of heat. This heat hits you like a Mack truck. Then it back up over you and hit you like a Mack truck again. So there was no doubt in my mind I needed to get some tint. So there was a few options out there, just a regular standard tint. But I decided to go with ceramic tint simply because after doing my research and taking a look, the warranty that they offer was just outstanding. I think I got like a 3-year warranty on all the materials, and then anything like any damage. So if I get any peeling, any rips or anything like that, they take care of it without anything. All I gotta do is just add a receipt, like obviously. So definitely went to get the tint. I got some B-roll of them guys installing that. I'll probably drop it right here. But yeah. I would say it was probably a good investment for the car. Obviously, tint is always a good investment in Florida, but the ceramic tint, I didn't buy it at first. I knew I wanted it because it was probably the best that was out there, but I didn't buy like the whole heat rejection. Would it stop something? Would it keep the car cool? And I would have to say, man, without a doubt, when my car is in the sun or when it's not, parked in the garage, this ceramic tint does wonders. It definitely keeps the temperature of the car like way cooler than it would be with just regular tint. And I guess that's the tech behind it. Keep some of the UV rays out here. I'm not a scientist, neither am I a tint technician. So hey, we just got to take their word for it. But just me riding around, and especially I got the car in April, so now it's almost August, and just being in the midsummer months, definitely, what in the world? Crazy. It's definitely been a great benefit for me. It's going to keep obviously it does, the normal day-to-day stuff, keeping the interior cool, making it, pleasant. I have the regular, leather with the, you see the scat pad me, the leather with the kind of like, I guess it's Alcantara or whatever in there. So I have those. So it's not as bad in the summer, but these leather parts can get kind of hot, and it's the wrong type of day, it will burn. But I went with it. But yeah, I definitely think if you're gonna get tint on your car, just go all out with the ceramic. It cost a little pretty penny to get it installed, but yeah, it was definitely worth it. I had mine done. Can't remember the name of the shop off the head, but I'll make sure to include it in the description, and I'll probably include it down here of where I got it done. They gave me a really good price. I was probably in and out of the joint in like maybe 2 hours. Yeah, me and my wife went to lunch, dropped the car off, went to lunch, came back, and tint was on the car. It was looking spiffy. But what's funny is that there was another guy there, had a Challenger scat pack, same problem. He had fishbowl, and he got the same package that I got. So basically, he had a Challenger and a Charger backed up in the shop together, getting the tint done. So I would recommend it to you for any car, really, not even just a scat pack. But I knew I wanted something. I didn't go I didn't go 5% tint all the way here. So nah, yeah. For obvious reasons. For obvious reasons, I didn't go 5% tint. I think I went to the legal limit on all of the tint. So I think that's, I don't know. I think it was like 18% in the front and 35 in the back. And then I got a strip right here. I got my whole, I didn't get my entire windshield tinted. I may do that later on. You got to get a waiver to get the entire windshield tinted. So I didn't feel like doing all that stuff and getting a waiver. But yeah, it definitely helps with the fishbowl. I can see how not a lot of people can see, and it helps out with that. But yeah, I definitely like it. So yeah, so I'm gonna put their contact information. So if you're in the Orlando area, definitely hit them up there. And I went to Winter Park to get it done. But yeah, man, just wanted to drop a vid talking about that. But thanks for tuning in. We got some more content coming down. I think the next video we're gonna do, I think we're gonna be looking at, I'm looking at Lux Auto Concepts. If you're in the charger community, you probably heard of Lux Auto Concepts. Thinking about getting their tail light badge package. So that might be the next video coming up. I'll be out of town for a couple of days, so won't drop another video this week. But definitely gonna be getting them. Probably have that ordered and shipped to the house. We're gonna put it on the Bandit, and it's probably gonna look a little gangster. Then we're gonna start moving into the heavy modifications. But yeah, man, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, hit that thumbs down button 2 times so I know I can do better next time. So y'all be easy, man.